So with that, now with the save to cloud post function, post route configured, okay, every time we run this save to cloud, it's going to check for our name and email. It's going to give us our save data, and it's going to put it in the database. Okay, so now the next thing would be to test this. So what is the easiest way to test this? Storage manager.save.json. Hold on a sec. Let's see where it's run. Let's see where it is run. Save game without rescue. And we just got to pass it a save file ID. So let's see if we can just throw this in the game. I've never done this. I don't know if this is going to work, but let's try it out anyway. So we're going to use this guy. We're going to come over here. We're going to run a script. We are going to try to run the game without rescue, and we'll try to save to slot 1. Once again, this shouldn't really matter because we're overwriting everything. Where we're saving it doesn't matter because, once again, we overwrote that save function and said, no. Save it to... We overwrote the save function and said, no, just save it to the cloud. So hopefully, it should work. No errors. Nothing like that. All right. So if this did work, I should be able to go into here. And it's not running. Why isn't it running? Oh, I know why it won't be running. We need to restart the server. So anytime you make a new plugin for a server, obviously you have to restart your server. Whoa. It didn't like something. What is going on here? Okie dokie. And I just realized this isn't going to work. And you want to know why it's not going to work? Because... I just realized this isn't going to work because we need to still add it. So we called it cloud slave / save to cloud. So if we take this and we add this and we say cloud save, and instead of example, we do cloud save as well. All right, so like I was talking about earlier, this /cloud save / save to cloud, because we did it save to cloud in here. In our server.js, we're doing /cloud save, and we're calling the API routes cloudsave.js. All right, this should work now. All right, so cd, let's go into our server. Let's npm start. Okay, let's throw this down here. All right, let's come in here. Now let's try to run it. All right, let's see what we got. And the world goes not bad. Okay, post login. That part worked. Okay, only one way to find out. Yeah, it created something, but it didn't put anything there. Crap. Okay. Well, guess that's good. I can't believe I did this. You know what helps? Putting the plugin in. It's crazy what happens when you actually put it on. Woo. All right, so we're gonna run this really quick. We're gonna try this one more time, ladies and gentlemen. Why did it give me a 404? Oh. Router post / save to cloud. I swear, if that's all it is. Yep, 403. Son of a bitch. Little things. This programming is a game of inches, as they like to say. Okay, so let's clear out of everything. Let's do that. Let's even clear out the screen. Okay. So let's try this one more time. Sign in as user A. I come over here, I check. Everything looks like it went through. It said cloud save to cloud, excellent. And now if we come in here, we should have 1 saves. Yes. Yes. All right, and in the save data, we have our save data. Ooh. Is that our save data? It looks awful small for our save data. I don't think that's our save data. Something's off with that. Here, hold on. Let me try something real quick. Let me try to save it as number 2. Really quick. I just want to check on something. Something's not making sense. There we go. Nice. So we'll just use save 2, because this is how big it should be. All right, fair enough. Okay, so we officially have made a model, saved it to the cloud. Global data of test, just make sure it works. Yep, username and email is A. That's completely right. I made 3 users in my collection, just so you understand. I have a username of A, a username of B, and a username of C. So username, email C, and then I have a username, email A, and a username, email of B. So I just have 3 test users in my account right now. That's what I'm going with. Okay, so that works, the post works. Cool. And the save works. So the save function works. So if we can just overwrite this main menu save with what I did with this guy right here, which is the data manager.save game without rescue, and just use slot 2. It doesn't really matter what slot we use per se, but slot 1 was giving a weird result, whereas slot 2, it looks like it's giving a decent result. Let me just test one more time with a new user and make sure that we are good here. We look in the collection of saves and we look at B, and that still seems awful small for B. I wonder if it needs to be, you wanna know what? This AA equals is it's almost always in the config, or the global, I should say. So if we run this again, I think it'll update correctly. Yeah, what happens if we run it a 3rd time? Is it gonna go back? Is it gonna go back and forth, or is this? All right, this is good now. Okay, so I think what has to happen is it has to be run twice for some reason on the first time. Once again, this is not a perfect system. We're just making this more to show how to save to the database more than, you know, the finer points of RPG Maker and how it interacts with the save system. That part is not as prevalent. We're going to continue on with loading and getting everything up and running in the next video, and we should be good from there. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Later, Game Makers.